Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of food, different type of animals and many other things, right? So this subject is new for you, but it is easy subject and we learn many new things in science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. So I am your new teacher and my subject science is also new for you, right? So in this subject we learn about different type of things. We complete our bridge course assignment. We solve the exercise of bridge course assignment. So still we not start our science textbook, right? So first we complete our bridge course assignment and we learn different type of things. We also done so many activities, right? So in previous lecture we complete the activity about workers. So today again we revise this activity and then we learn more things about workers through the new activity, right? So let's start our today's lecture, and we start every day our lecture with one beautiful line which help you and encourage you, right? So let's start our lecture with this beautiful line. The line is, you learn something every day if you pay attention. What is meaning of this line? It means if you want to learn anything, if you want to achieve anything, so you need to learn. But how you learn? If you pay attention in learning, then you can learn something new every day, right? For example, right now we are learning from home, right? So we all are learning from home, but many students are not giving attention in lectures. They start the mobile, they plug the earphones and put mobile on table, and they are playing or they are eating or they are not there. Many times teacher ask you question but you are not there. So it means you are not giving attention in the lecture. So if you want to learn something every day, you need to give attention in every lecture. If you want to learn multiplication, or if you want to learn English, if you want to learn science, you need to give attention in the lecture, then you can learn, right? When you start writing, when you learn writing, you give 100% to learn writing, then you can learn and write, right? So with this beautiful line that you learn something every day if you pay attention, right? With this line, let's start our today's lecture. But before we start our today's activity, let's quickly revise what we learned in previous lecture. So our today's activity also related to workers, which we already learned in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we done one activity in which we identify the person or the workers. So the activity is who am I, right? So this today's activity is also related to our workers. So we quickly revise yesterday's activity and start our new topic, right? So let's quickly revise. The first picture here you cannot see, right? So we have to identify the people who is there, identify the worker, right? So first is who am I, right? I like to help other people, I help to put out fire, I can control the flames, I drive a truck. Now in previous lecture we already completed So here you can see that the person is telling that person is helping, and the person is also put out fires, right? So as we learned in previous lecture that when there is fire somewhere, at that time we called fire brigade, right? So the person who are working in fire brigade are known as firefighters. Here you can see the picture of firefighter. You can see on the uniform of this person there is a one word F-I-R-E, fire, and you can see the pipe in hand of this person, right? So who is this? The person is firefighter. So who is this person? The person is telling us that I am firefighter, right? So our first who am I, which we already complete in previous lecture. Then the next one, I work at a school, I teach student, I help students learn new things, I use a whiteboard, right? So here you can see that the person you can easily identify, because right now I am teaching you. I work at school. Right now you all are at home, but we are coming school. The teachers are in the school and teach you, right? So who is this? As I told you and give example in previous lecture that many people are coming to school, students are coming, principals are coming, then the watchman is coming, and admin are coming. But who teach you? Who teach student? We have to identify the person, and who is this? The person is teacher. You all know that teacher teach you how to read, how to write fast, and many other things. So here the answer is teacher. So who teach us? Teacher teach us. So I am teacher. You better know this answer because we already done this in previous lecture. Then next, I grow rice, I grow vegetables, I look after animals. So this person is most important person, most important worker for us, because we all know that if this person is not on work, we don't get food. So here you can see the picture of a farmer. So we all know that farmers are growing vegetables, fruits, rice, wheat, cereals and pulses, and the farmer also look after animals. Mostly farmers has animals like buffalo, cow, horses, goats and many other animals, right? So the person who grow food, vegetables and cereals, pulses and many other things which we learn in science also in next lectures. So I am farmer. Then the next is who am I? I work at restaurant, I work in kitchen, I like to cook food. Who is this in our home? Who is cook food? Our mother. But when you are going to restaurant, there is a one person. The person is known as chef, right? So in restaurant there is no mother, but the person who is cook the food is known as chef. Here you can see the picture of the chef, right? So now you can understand that different workers we are having. Who am I? I work at the hospital. I like to help people. I help people get better. I can give you medicines. When you feel ill, when your tummy is ill, you have pain, stomach pain. So what you are doing? You are going to doctor. So who is this person? The person is doctor, who is working in hospitals. Many doctors have personal clinics also, right? So here you can see the picture of doctor who help us to get our health better, right? So I can give you medicines and I am doctor. Right? And the next is I work at a station. I like to help other people. I help maintain order. I have a uniform. So who is this who help to maintain order? It means rules and regulations and help other people, and the person is policeman, right? So I am a police officer. So this officer help us in many way to control traffic also, to control the people also, and the control the thief also, right? So who is this policeman? Then the next, I work at an airport. I help people get to their destination. I can fly planes. I have a uniform. Again, the person who is wearing uniform, but it is not policeman or it is not firefighter. Here you can see the aeroplane. It means the driver who is flying the aeroplane is known as pilot. Right? So here you can see I am a pilot. I work at airport. So as I told you in previous lecture, that person who are drive a car, the person known as driver. But when you see the aeroplane, the person who is flying the aeroplane is known as pilot. Right? So this whole activity we complete in previous lecture. So with this revision you can complete our next activity, right? So let's move on to today's activity. So here you can see the picture of pencils, and you can see one big pencil. It means the big pencil is teacher and others are student, right? So our today's activity is fill in the blanks, right? So in this activity we have to complete the fill in the blanks with the help of the pictures. And first we write the name, which worker it is, and we star the picture. Right? So what is our today's activity? Activity is about workers, and we complete this activity with the pictures. We have to choose the picture which is right one, and we have to identify the worker also and the things which workers are using. Right? So let's start our today's activity and let's move on to first one. The desk give us medicines, right? So who is this person who is giving us medicines, right? First, what is medicines? We all know that you don't like medicines. Right now in COVID-19 we all know that we all are eating food which is help us to improve our immunity, right? So here medicines which we take when we are ill, right? So we have to find out that who is give us medicines, right? Not any person give us medicines or treatments. We need to visit one particular person, right? So let's see how many pictures we are having and which pictures we are having. Picture, here you can see the pictures and you can see the third picture. We have three pictures, right? So first picture is the picture of a person. The person is wearing uniform, right? And you can see that there is gun, right? Here you can see the gun, and you can see the cap also. You can see here stick also, right? The person is wearing uniform. Which person it is? Is there firefighter? Because firefighter also wear uniform, right? But when we see the picture of firefighter, they are using water, so there is no water, right? And the third picture here you can see the students, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 students, and one person is teaching them. So it means first picture is picture of police officer, right? Who help us to manage the orders and keep our city stay out from the criminal activities, right? And the second picture you can see is the picture of one person who is wearing white blazer. Third picture is picture of the teacher, right, who is teaching students. So from this, when you see medicines here, when you see the picture of second picture, you can see that medicines here, you can see injections also, you can see bandage also, you can see the blood bottle also. So where we are going when we need medicine? We are going to police officer, we are going to doctor, or we are going to teacher who give you medicines. Yes, so where we see medicines in second page, and who is the person? The person is doctor, right? So what we do? We write doctor in the blank. And what is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. The doctor give us medicines. So we have to put star on the picture, which is right one, right? So which is right one? This one. So what we do? We put star here, right? So you can see the star here. Policemen help us in different way, teacher teach us, and doctor give us medicines, right? So in this COVID-19 situation, the most important role played by the doctors. They help us different way. They give us medicines and many other treatment for coronavirus, right? So the doctor give us medicine. Let's move on to second one. We drop letters in dash. Now letters means when we write letter to anyone. For example, right now we all are using mobiles, so we are writing message which we send through the WhatsApp or messages or anything else, right? So when we are writing the letter to someone, right? So when you are writing the marriage invitation, right, which you know. So how we deliver it? We deliver it through the postman. But how postman collect this letter, or from where the postman collect letter, right? So we drop letter somewhere for posting. So we have pictures here. The first picture is a picture of dustbin. How we identify it as dustbin? Because you can see here the thing, right? So this thing we use when we want to clean things or clean the place, right? So what is this? It is dustbin. In the second picture is picture of the first aid box or medicine box. You can see here the medicines, and you can see here scissor and bandages, right? So it is medical box. Third one is the post box, right? So when you write letter to anyone, so what you do? Where you put this letter, so the person take this letter from the box and deliver to anywhere. You drop letter into the dustbin, yes or no? No. I am talking about the letter which is written by you for delivery, right? So it is not about the paper which is garbage for you, so you can throw it in dustbin. But when we write letter to important letter, so we cannot throw it in dustbin. And the next one is first aid box or medical box. So you can see here there are medicines and the things which we are using to bandage something, right? So we are not putting letter into the medicine box. The next one is post box, right? So when you write letter to anyone, the letter we drop into the post box. Then postmaster take it from this box and deliver to other address, right? So we drop letters into the post box, right? So what we do here, we put star onto the post box. So you can understand that we are using things, and you can see this post box on the High Court Road also. There is a big post office, but many area has small post box, right? So this is the post box. We drop letters in this post box. Then move on to next one. The dash grow food for us. Food means things which we are eating. If it is a vegetable, if it is a fruit, if it is a oil, and many things. So here you can see the picture of the person. The first person you can see with the pipe. So it means it is firefighter, right? Then the next picture is picture of a nurse, right? So here you can see the picture of nurse. And what is different between doctor and nurse? That nurses are wearing cap when the doctor not wearing cap. So you can identify, because they both are wearing white coat. But how we identify? Because the nurse or the compounder using cap, but the doctor is not using cap, right? So here you can see the third picture is the picture of farmer, and you can see the plant also there. It means which person growing the food. The firefighter help us to put out fire, the nurse help us to bandage things, and the farmer grow the food. So here we write the spelling of farmer and we put star on the picture of the farmer, right? So the farmer grow food for us. In the next one, the dash catches the thieves. Thief means the person who is stealing things from the people, from the houses, right? So you can understand what is thieves. Now we have picture of one person who having comb and scissor. The second picture you can see here who having gun. Third picture you can see is the picture of a person who is flying a plane, right? So who catches the thieves from it? First picture is picture of barber who cut our hair. Third picture is the picture of a person. It means pilot who is flying the plane, right? In the second picture you can see is the picture of police officer. So you can identify that police officer catches the thieves, right? So what we write here? Police, Police, which help us in many way. They control the traffic also, but this person is known as other name, right? So here you can see the picture of police officer who catches the thieves, right? So now you can understand the different workers which help us in different way. So what we do here, we put here star on the picture which is right. Then the next one is a dash delivers postcards. Postcards means a card on which we are writing letters. We use as letter, we write or ask something to the person, right? In further times there is no mobile phones, no telephones, no internet. So at that time people are writing letter to their relatives, right? So this letter is known as postcard, right? So here you can see the pictures in which the person are wearing uniform. When you put letter in drop box, the person deliver it on the address, right? So the last picture here you can see is the picture of police officer. Then the second picture you can see is the picture of firefighter, and the third one who is wearing uniform, same as the officer, right? But the person having bag, and you can see here letter also, you can see here the post box also. So what we called it, this person? This person is known as postman. So a postman delivers postcards. When you write letter to anyone, this letter on the address, and this address, who delivered this letter? This letter delivered by the postman. This person is known as postman. Again, it is our helper, right? So what we do here? We put here star, because the right picture we have to identify. So we put here star. Then move on to next one. A dash manage the traffic. So when you visit a mega cities like Bombay, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, or Baroda, or Surat, so the huge problem of traffic. In our city also, on many places like the MG Road and Haluria Chowk, or when you going near to vegetable market, in many places, the lots of traffic jam, right? So who manage this traffic, right? So let's see here the picture. So first picture is picture of postman. We already identified this picture. In the second picture, you can see is the picture looking like police officer. And the last one is firefighter. Now, the first one is deliver the letters. Last one is put out the fire. So second picture you can see, who is also, you can see that the person having whistles. Through this whistle, this person is controlling the traffic. Right, you can see the person is showing hand to stop them, right? So a person who manage traffic is one of the police officer, but this police officer is known as traffic police. What is name of this person? The person known as traffic police, right? So now you can understand that a traffic police manage the traffic. You can see the white color uniform of police. This police known as the traffic police. You can see many places in our city also this police officers. They also check the license and documents of vehicles, right? So this is the traffic police who manage the traffic. Then put the star here, then we can identify the picture, right? Then move on to next one. The dash keep the city clean and tidy. Most important worker, because this worker clean the city. When we are at home, we clean our home, we can clean our things, we can clean our clothes, but the whole city we cannot clean. So every city, in every villages, there is a workers who clean the cities and villages, right? So first picture you can see here, the picture of one person who is teaching. It means it is teacher. The next one is barber who cut hair, right? The last one you can see here, two person are cleaning the road. So who clean the road and keep the city tidy and clean? The person are there. These persons are known as cleaner. CLEANER, cleaner. In morning, early morning, they are coming and clean our streets and roads and whole city. You can see this person in morning around your house also. So cleaners keep the city clean and tidy. Then move on to next one. First we put the star here. So these persons are known as cleaner. Now the next one is dash give and check tickets. We have three options here. and you can see 3 of them are wearing uniform. But what we have question here, check and give the tickets. So postman deliver the postcard, pilot fly a plane. In the second picture you can see the person is asking your ticket please. So when you are traveling in bus or trains or in planes also you need tickets, you have to buy ticket, right? So many people are going one place to other place without tickets. So who check these tickets? TC. We called it ticket collector also. When you are going in train, you see this TC, ticket collector or ticket checker. And when you are traveling in bus, so this person is known as conductor, right? So this is the TC. We called it ticket checker also. We called it ticket collector also. Then the next, move on to next one, and we mark star here. Dash put out the fire. So we have 3 pictures here, policeman, postman and firefighter. So we already learned about this firefighter in previous lecture. So would put out the fire? Firefighter with help of the water, right? So here you can see firefighter put out the water, and as I told you in previous lecture that red color uniform or a blue color uniform they are wearing, and they are having a big vehicles with full of water, right? So let's put star here, right? So here we put star because the firefighter put out the fire, right? So what we learned today? Today we revised the activity of previous lecture, and then we learn the things which people are using, right? And we learn about workers and their places and their things also. So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.